day. How are you? Are you fine? I hope everything's fine. So let's talk about Unit 5. C? Yes? Open your books. Unit 5, C. That's great. So now look at this exercise. So look at this and repeat with me. A bottle of water. A glass of milk. A cup of tea. A cup of coffee. A can of lemonade. A slice of bread. A packet of biscuits. Excellent. That's very nice. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions. For example, how much water do you drink a day? I drink about, 4 bottles of water. Yes, this is my bottle of water. Okay, I drink about four bottles of water a day, or 10 glasses of water a day. What about milk? Do you drink milk? I don't drink milk very much. I drink about a glass or 2 glasses of milk a week. What about you? How much milk do you drink? What about coffee and tea? Do you like tea? Do you like coffee? How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? How many cups of tea do you drink a day? I usually have 1 or 2 cups of tea a day and 1 cup of coffee in the morning. Yes. What about lemonade? Do you have lemonade? Do you like it? How many cans of lemonade do you drink a day? I hardly ever drink lemonade. What about you? And bread. Do you like bread? Yes? How many slices of bread do you eat a day? I don't eat bread. I'm allergic to gluten. So I usually have pão de queijo, but not bread. What about biscuits? Do you like biscuits? Yes? That's great. Do you eat a lot of biscuits? That's great. Fantastic. Excellent. So now let's talk about the second exercise. This second exercise, you have to look at the pictures and name the items. For example, what's number 1? Look, what's number 1? What about number 2? 3, 4, and 5. What is it? Let's try it. So the first one, pasta, and the second, orange juice. Number 3, cake. Number 4, mushrooms. And number 5, ketchup. Excellent. Do you eat them? Do you have a favorite? That's great. I love orange juice, mushrooms, and I love ketchup. I know it's not healthy, but I like it very much. Okay? Very good. Now it's a quiz. Are you a healthy eater? This is very nice. Are you a healthy eater? All 5C. Yes. Can you see this exercise? Are you a healthy eater? Now you are going to listen and read. Okay? How many meals do you have a day? 3 to 4 small meals, like breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. 2 meals, lunch and dinner. Or I don't know, I eat all day. The second, what kind of snacks do you eat when you're hungry? Fruit? A sandwich? Chocolate bars or sweets? 3. Do you eat fruit and vegetables? Yes, every day. Sometimes fruit and vegetables. What are they? 4. How much milk do you drink a day? Over 3 glasses? I just have some with my cereal. I hate milk. 5. How many soft drinks, Coke, Fanta, do you drink a day? I only drink water. Just 1 can. From 3 to 4 cans a day. 6. Do you eat junk food? Like cookies, chocolate? Not very often. Twice or 3 times a week. Very often. It's so tasty. Yeah? Now let's check your score. Do you have more A's, more B's, or more C's? Let's do it. If you have mostly A's, congratulations. You are a very healthy eater. You are very careful with what you eat. Good for you. If you have mostly B's, well, it's not all good, but we can't say it's all bad. You know what's healthy for you, but you don't always eat right. Keep trying. But if you have mostly C's, you've got some very bad eating habits. You eat a lot of junk food, and that's very bad for you. You must change your eating habits now. Now tell me, are you healthy or unhealthy? So, what is a healthy diet? What kind of fruit do you eat a day? What vegetables do you eat every day? Do you drink a lot of water? Great. Congratulations. Why are we doing this? Because we are talking about how much and how many. We use how much before uncountable nouns. For example, how much water do you drink? How much lemonade have we got? About 2 bottles. How much tea do you drink a day? How much coffee do you drink a day? But we use how many before countable nouns. For example, how many apples do you eat a day? 2. How many friends have you got? 5. How many students have you got? 4. Okay, we use many, and plural. How many people, how many friends, how many apples, how much, uncountable. They are always in the singular. How much water, how much time, how much milk, how much tea. Okay, this is very important. Now, let's talk about this. So you have to decide how much or how many. For example, number 1, how much water do you drink a day? You see, water. What about onions? 1 onion, 2 onions. You can count. So how many? How many onions have we got? And chairs. That's nice. Chairs. 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. You have to use how many? Very good. Orange juice. We never count liquids. So how much? Perfect. How much orange juice is there in the fridge? And cups. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. So how many? How many cups of coffee does Julia drink every day? And tea. We never count tea. So how much? Very good. How much tea do British people drink? Excellent. Okay, so now let's repeat. How much water? How many onions? How many chairs? How much orange juice? How many cups of coffee? How much tea? Great. Okay, This is excellent. Now, you are going to listen to a survey and answer the questions. Okay? But now you are going to pause. I'm going to send you the listening. And then you answer the questions. Thank you.